Hi, I'm Lakshmi. I'm Sunetra's mother, and I'm here to share my experience with Darwin Public School. So, our journey began in 2018 when we were on a hunt for a school that values confidence, curiosity, and empathy in children. And on our tour, we met Ms. Shanta, who explained this Darwin's Montessori led concept, which is firm yet has its own freedom for the children. And I think her dedication and vision to create a space to build a school that would give the same was very impressive, and we fell in love right there, and that is why we are here as parents, setting our child in the school. And I think the school has such a warm and welcoming vibe that our daughter is always excited to go to school every morning. And the teachers here are so warm, friendly, and they know how to balance between letting the kids grow and also guiding them at the right time. I think, and also Darwin inculcates a lot of values which are very small but so powerful, like um, inculcating the practice of reading at a very young age, and things like winding up, being organized. These are something we may overlook as parents, but these are being taught to us also. And I think Darwin really does a great job when it comes to that. And Darwin also conducts a workshop for parents, which is such a boon for especially the new parents, who oversee a lot of things when it comes to parenting with regards to children. So I think Shanta really works on helping us grow with our child and supporting in their growth journey. So there's one unique aspect of the Darwin that we really like is the students over here get to teach the younger peers. So this experience helps a child to have a good understanding of the concept where they learn from the scratch, and they also develop the communication skill and empathy when they have to reach out to the younger ones. And the school also develops so much of decision making skill and confidence among the child because of the opportunities given to them, where they're allowed to make their own choices and they have to make their own decisions, and they're even given certain leadership skills. And this is very well reflected in certain platforms that the school organizes, like the melas and the science fair and the maths fair, where other than it just being the learning aspect, the child actually gets to showcase their own abilities out there, and they're even facing the challenges with a lot of you know boldness, I would say, because they don't shy away from what are the challenges, and they have the teachers to support them, and that's the biggest credit. The teachers and students have a great relationship, and the other thing is that all these, even the debates and the quizzes that the school organizes, it's mostly on a very healthy competition, and there is no rivalry among the students, so which in fact creates a domino effect of having a lovely bonding among the students, which goes into very healthy friendship in a long term as well. And I can't say enough about Shanta and Sheila ma'am, who are the heart and soul of the school. Their leadership and their dedication is felt at everything, and also the space that they created, the supportive and the lively space they've created for the children over here. I think even as parents, we do feel that we feel so welcomed to see our children coming in with very happy faces, and they come back to tell so many stories. It's very, it really warms up the heart. And I think as parents, we are very thankful to have found Darwin and this journey it is given to a child, and it is really fulfilling the concept that we looked in. It is, we are having a child who's growing into confident, curious, empathic, with the ability of responsibility and decision making. And honestly, we're still in Chennai so that Sunetra can get the opportunity of growing in Darwin Public School, and I'm so thankful for having found the school again. Thank you, Darwin, for being amazing.